Today's medical-centric topic is Restore Balance, Tips to Strengthen the Parasympathetic Nervous System. The parasympathetic nervous system, PNS, helps the body relax, recover, and conserve energy. Strengthening the PNS can improve overall health and resilience to stress. Here are key strategies to enhance its function. 1. Deep breathing. Practicing deep, diaphragmatic breathing activates the PNS, promoting relaxation. Techniques like the 4-7-8 method or slow, deep breathing can be done daily to calm the nervous system. 2. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices reduce stress and enhance PNS activity. Regular practice, even for just a few minutes a day, can improve overall well-being and stress resilience. 3. Yoga and Tai Chi. These practices combine movement, breath control, and meditation, which can stimulate the PNS. Incorporating yoga or Tai Chi into your routine can help maintain nervous system balance. 4. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for PNS function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and create a calming bedtime routine. 5. Balanced diet. A nutritious diet supports the PNS. Include omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish and flax seeds, antioxidants, found in fruits and vegetables, and magnesium, found in nuts and whole grains, to support nerve health. 6. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for nervous system function. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and limit intake of caffeine and alcohol, which can disrupt hydration and PNS balance. 7. Gentle exercise. Moderate physical activity, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, can stimulate the PNS. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days to support overall nervous system health. 8. Massage therapy. Regular massages can reduce muscle tension, lower stress levels, and promote PNS activation. Consider incorporating massage therapy into your wellness routine. 9. Social connections. Positive social interactions and strong relationships can enhance PNS function. Spend time with friends and family, engage in social activities, and seek emotional support when needed. 10. Nature exposure. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and promote relaxation. Hiking or simply sitting outside can help activate the PNS. 11. Listening to music. Listening to calming music can enhance PNS activity. Choose soothing melodies and incorporate music into your daily routine to promote relaxation. 12. Laughter. Laughter is a natural way to stimulate the PNS. Engage in activities that make you laugh, such as watching a funny movie or spending time with friends who make you smile.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.